Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're back on Slime Rancher, and yeah, we are going to be playing some Slime Rancher. Oh wait, oh yeah, it's so weird, because on my other game, which I don't record on, I have like, this is full of chickens, and then everywhere else is covered. So we are going to go adventure. Did we get like a, I'm just gonna go check actually if we did something. I want those carrots. Give me the carrots. I got a pogo fruit. I keep thinking that I can't. Pomegranates. There we go. I can say it now. Carrot. A carrot. Oh, sorry. Oops. I didn't mean to kill you. It was an accident. So don't blame me. Oh, yay. Move. Ugh. Oh no. No. Oh wait. Have we walked up? Oh no, that was a polar. Oh no. Oh, hello chicken. Yay, now we've opened it. I didn't realise that we hadn't opened it. That. Yeah, let me get into that pink slime. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, pogo fruit. We're looking for fruit, people. We need lots of fruit, you know? Fruits. Or whatever. Vegetables. Chickens. Ooh. Hello. Ooh. Wait, have we got tabby slimes yet? No, don't eat them, don't eat them. They're mine. They're my chickens. None of yours. They're my chickens. Mine. How did I get these? Tabby slimes. Hey, tabby slime. You're the tabby slime. Oh! Who did that? That is so rude. Look, this is for being mean to me. Oh no, where'd that tabby slime go? Oh, it's right there. What? Ooh, some more tabby slimes. Anything else? Where could we go? Oh wait, is that chicken? Yeah. Hello, smiley face. Oh, another pogo fruit. Yay. I'm just gonna go back. Oh, the carrot. Yes, happy. Now I got to show you what I was collecting all of this for. Oh wait, I went the wrong way. Oops. And we were collecting it for this giant. Oh wait, there's some here too. Oh, I wish I knew that. For this giant pink slime, and we have to feed it at 50. So we're gonna be collecting all the. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, it's a box. Hello box. Chicken. Hey, would you like this? It's yummy. Yeah. Oh, did that bit I missed? Oh well. I'm sorry. Well, you could have to jump back in. I mean, jump in the water for that someday. So good luck with that. And oh, I thought I saw something. I just seen. Goodbye, Mr. Slime. Oh no! Oh no! No! Oh! Oh my god! I should never have done that. We just want everything. It's not. That is so annoying and painful. You'll give me this. If I give you 3 and 2. Oh no, that ends in 5 minutes. Oh, I should have kept those carrots. Carrots, I need you. Carrots, please, please grow. Grow faster now. I'm gonna fire some slime, all these slimes at you if you don't grow faster. But let me collect them all. I got them all. Actually, I can't be bothered now. Because we're gonna go take some back. And you're gonna go in here with every aisle. Oh no. Oh well. They can escape. Well, I am losing everything. Beep beep beep. Do 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 do. Where'd the nighttime go? Oh yeah, I died in that. What's the hint? What's is this? I guess this is a hint. Oh no, it's not. It'll be a trick. I can't be bothered to read this, but yeah. Okay, I'm not reading that because it's way too long and it's still yeah. Ooh, carrots. Oh, what's down here? Oh, hello people of, slimes of the slime world. Oh, yay, carrots. That's for carrots. Pogo. Oh, I need carrots. I need some carrots. Why don't you give me some carrots? Give me some carrots. Make your carrots grow or else I don't know. I need some carrots. Carrots. They're my carrots, not yours. No, don't eat them. Don't eat them. Just stop eating my carrots. Thank you. Oh, okay, yeah, you're really annoying because it killed me. And you also, ow. Ugh. Oh, no. What else? I need 1 more carrot. And then I need some false reserves. False salve. I don't know what it says. I've forgotten what it's called. You're not gonna eat him. I'm gonna save his life. Oh yay, Mom. Why do these keep going so fast? Why not 1 carrot? I need 1 carrot. 1. Just 1. Why don't you give it to me? Oh, no. Wait, it's never even gonna get to the day. We have failed. I have failed this. Oh wait, you go over there. Oh, please. Oh wait, did it make it? Please say it made it in or not out. Oh yeah, made it in. Oh yay. That's my new job. It's firing chickens into their pen. Yeah. I'm a pro at it, totally. Wait, what am I going? Wait, I was gonna do something. Alright, I was gonna do this. So you get a jetpack. That's huge. We have no money. We have no money. I am poor. I'm very poor. Oh, carrots. Yay, I got some carrots. Oh, yeah. Look at the sun. It's round. Did you know that? It's a fun fact. Oh. I need some carrots. How much is it to buy Oh, I got him, guys. Okay. Oh, yay! Yeah, I forgot about this. Oh, well, is there any plorts or did they eat them all? Oh. Oh, yeah, actually, have these. Eat the yummy food. And now you are gonna be gobbled up by this thing. Nom 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 nom. Go away! Nom 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 nom. Oh, go away! Nom 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 nom. Go away! I don't like you. We're gonna get rid of those Lagos because I don't know, because they're annoying. Well, we can have them in a separate. Ow! Because they bully me. They're bullies. I want this plort. Can I have this plort? Thank you. I'll give you some more stuff, like fun stuff. If you how long have you got left? We're never gonna complete it for this person. Wait, what did I just? Oh, okay. Well, we're going to. Yeah, we're gonna have enough for. We're gonna get. We are going to get. Yay! Boop! We got it. Do you want these? Oh wait, no, we don't want these. I received some stuff. Oh no! 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 You don't get to eat the chickens. Oh, look at this. He's old. Why are you old? You look very old. How long? Wait, is that the rooster I put in earlier? Oh, shall we let someone eat him because he's old? Because I don't think he can do anything now. So we might just. No, we're not gonna. We're gonna keep you for a while. You can be the old person. Oh wait, we need. Oh no, we need another rooster. No. Impossible. Okay. Oh no, I don't have. Oh. Right. Oh, money. Money, chicken. Oh, okay. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Well, let me just go give it to them. You want some food? Here you go. Don't eat the rest of the plate. So, go away. Ow. I really need a plort collector thingy. Because it's like really hard collecting the, Okay, we got way too many here, so you're gonna die. Sorry, but, or you could just become a sea slime or something. So bye. I'm terribly sorry. Okay, bye. See you later. What else? Ooh, is this? Oh, no. You are going to die. Oh my god, why have you created more while I've been gone? Die. No, you should have died. Get off my roof of my house. My house, not yours. I live in it, you don't. You live in a thing. You live in a coral or something. I think it's called a coral. Wait, do I have to give him pink flag? No. Now, I am going to get these carrots. Yay. Carrots. Oh, more fruit. Carrot. That's not carrot. Why do I always think it's a carrot? Oh, carrot. Carrot. Ooh. Oh, the fruit's being... Carrot. Sorry, I'm stealing all your food, so you'll be really hungry and, well, you'll die, but oh well, that's your fault. You should have found your own fill. I mean, your own food, not your own fill. Okay. Ooh, wait, we're going the right way. Where are we supposed to be going again? I was supposed to be going to that guy. I'm gonna feed him all these carrots. You want some carrots? Nom 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 nom. Oh, you don't want them? You don't want them? Okay, I'll take them. They're my carrots now. I don't want you people. You're annoying. Stop eating all the food. No. You don't eat the food. Hey. Okay. There's some chicken. Well, we're gonna get rid of these. And we're gonna take in the chicken and the carrot. I don't know about the cube berry. Money! Yay! We're gonna take this whole. Where'd it go? Yeah. Oh, never mind. This time we're not gonna fall in the water and try it. Oh wait, is that the guy who I tried to? Oh no, they're all just coming for a swim and dying. So fun. No. That's all. Oh, I can't run anymore. Oh, I have a key now, so we could unlock somewhere. Where shall we unlock? No. You have some more new friends. I still need some of the. Oh my. No. I need. Oh, how much is pluck? 500. I don't have enough to fight unless. Well, I'm sorry, but you're ow. No. Well, we're getting rid of the Lagos because they're just too big. Say goodbye to Jerry the Lago. Goodbye. Okay, and now we're gonna get Jeremy the Lago. We got Jeremy the Lago. And now we're gonna get sad face the Lago. See, that's because he has a sad face. See? Now it's just slimes. Now you want some carrots. Yay! Now I got lots of money. Money. Lots of money. Oh, look, he wants to go back in because he's lonely and he misses all of his friends. Okay, bye. Now we're gonna try. Now we are going to try and fire these chickens. Oh, I think that just missed. Is that in? It's the first. Now we're going to try again. From here. Ooh. Sorry, maybe down here. A bit more. Oh, nice. Oh. Look, I can do this. See, I got it in. Oh, what's that? Wow. Ooh. Oh. Oh, we have to buy it for 10,000. 10,000. That's lots of money. And I have barely any money. How long do I have left? 60 minutes. Okay. Would you like some fruit? There's a fruit. Yay. Oh, we need to go get the Frosty Slimes. Where's the Frosty Slimes? There's the Frosty Slimes. Hey, Frosty Slime. Frozen slime. See, I figured it out. I knew. Why were there none of them? Why was there 2? I need more than 2. People, I need more than 2. Do you not get that? I need more than 2. Oh, I wonder if there's any down here. Oh, yeah, there is. Yeah, you're gonna be gobbled up. You serious? I can't put you through. Oh, no, 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 no. You're not going to eat any more plots, so ha. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Another. Oh, Tabby. Oh, hi. Oh, right. It's Tar. The Tar. Hi, how you doing, the Tar? These rainbow blobby things. Wait. You're gonna eat me, what you gonna do? Say you're gonna live in the ocean now. See, we got rid of them. Oh, what's that? Is that a chicken? How you doing, chicken? I wanna go over there. Oh. How dare you eat that chicken? And why? Hey, you can't just live up there. Let me. You won't get. You're just gonna sit up there really, and eat everyone. Well, I'm gonna go get some more tummy slimes, and then oh yeah, my first one. Oh, there's some more slimes. There's some more slimes, and oh yeah, more. No. Nom. Tar. There we go, he's in the water now. Alright, you're glowing. And you look scared. Are you? Oh my god. You started killing me. Which one of you was it? Tell me, which one of you was? Oh, carrots. Don't worry, chicken. You are not allowed to eat. No, I don't want you here anymore. Can you please go away? Oh wait, is this right? I haven't come out. It's a ruse. No. You don't need that. I get this. Because I need that. Okay, I'll just leave the card to gobble you all up. Oh, no. No, you go that way. No, that's not the sea. Right. No. You go that way. Oh, there we go. They're all gone, I think. Apart from this guy. Yeah, you're going that way, you're going down. There we go, he's done. Well, oh, another boost. Do. Oh, another thing. I know, might not have time. Oh, I still haven't opened a door, but oh well. Oh yeah, more thing. I'm gonna get lots of you, and then we're gonna put you in your thing cage or whatever, and you're gonna stay. Oh, maybe we needed more tabby slot. Oh wow. Okay, so what do you need? You need 5 of them, and now you only need 2 of them, and you need 2 of them. Okay, right, easy peasy lemony squeezy. Now we are going to go get tabby slimes, and then we're gonna open a door to somewhere maybe. So okay, let's go. Do. Okay. There's one. Yeah, but up. Tabby slime. Where are the things? Where are the blue ones? Whatever they're called. The rock slimes. Oh, rock slimes. Oh. I want the rock. Oh, hello, chicken. Yeah, you go get eaten. I'm not saving you today. I saved the other one, so let's get some plots. Lots and plots. Eat your pogo fruits. And now we are here to go get some tabby slime. I can never find any. I need some tabby slime. Little tabby slime. Where are the tabby slimes? Oh, hi. Where are the tabby slimes? Where are the tabby slimes? Okay. We're just gonna go give him. What food is yeah, eat your carrots. Eat your carrots. It's healthy. Okay, no, eat your carrots. You bully, you shouldn't be eating the chickens. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I thought you were. You shouldn't be eating chickens. Unhealthy for the chickens. Okay. You want to fly over there and die, and you're going over there. Okay, now we're just gonna give him tabby slime, and now we are going to sell this. Okay, so anyway, guys, we're gonna finish up now. So see you guys next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So bye.